Next week, more earnings from the nation's retailers. On Monday, look for reports from DSW, Guess, and Urban Outfitters. While analysts expect online traffic to remain Urban Outfitters' primary growth driver, how heavily will the prolonged cold weather in the U.S. have an impact on the retailer's spring clothing sales? Campbell's Soup will also report on Monday. The company's been focused on developing new products like its microwavable Go soups, available exclusively through digital and social media. Campbell has also been implementing innovation centers in most of its businesses, including a new $30 million innovation center opened last year in Connecticut. But are consumers biting? Look for results from TiVo and Williams-Sonoma as well. On Tuesday, the wave of retailer reports continues with Saks and TJX companies. Specialty retailers Best Buy and Home Depot will also release their results. On Tuesday, Aisle 411 announced that its indoor retail navigation service, designed to enhance the customer experience, is now in more than 12,000 stores nationwide, including 2,000 Home Depot stores. Traders will look to see how the in-store mapping platform, as well as the colder spring weather, have impacted the company's sales. Best Buy's first quarter results are expected to show a continuing recovery. According to sentiment tracking firm YouGov's brand index, consumer perception of Best Buy has hit record highs twice in the last 6 months. The electronics retailer has long faced the problem of consumers checking out products at its locations but purchasing them elsewhere. Its new price matching plan, called its Low Price Guarantee, which began on March 3rd, could be the solution for that. On Wednesday, we'll have results from retailers Staples, Wet Seal, American Eagle Outfitters, and Target. After Walmart reported disappointing fiscal first quarter earnings, citing a payroll tax increase, delayed tax refunds, and bad weather, how much will Target be weighed down as well? Target already warned that sales and earnings for the first quarter will be below forecasts after seasonal and weather-sensitive sales were softer than anticipated. And we'll see how much the colder weather impacted home improvement retailer Lowe's bottom line when it reports on Wednesday. Also that day, Toll Brothers will report its quarterly results, nearly a week after the U.S. Department of Commerce said housing starts declined 16.5% in April to a seasonally adjusted annual rate of 853,000. That's the worst level seen since November. As applications for new construction, a sign of future demand, has actually risen to a 5-year peak, traders will look for a better picture of how bright Toll's outlook seems. On Thursday, look for earnings from Dollar Tree, Ralph Lauren, and Gap. Recently, Gap revealed an 8% jump in April same-store sales and a bullish first quarter earnings forecast that would top Wall Street's estimates. How much will the apparel maker be able to impress investors? Pandora Media also reports on Thursday. Traders will be paying attention to the company's results in light of Google's recent announcement of its upcoming music streaming service that will compete with Pandora. The company has captured about 70% of the internet radio market share, but hasn't been able to increase revenues. On Friday, we'll have the report on durable orders for April at 8:30 a.m. The durable orders release is considered a leading indicator of manufacturing activity and often moves the market. Closing out the week, we'll have earnings from Foot Locker and Abercrombie & Fitch. Abercrombie has been the subject of recent backlash after comments made years ago by CEO Mike Jeffries about how uncool kids and overweight women should not wear the brand's clothes resurfaced. After Abercrombie posted fourth quarter earnings that beat expectations, has the strength continued? In New York, I'm Brittany Umar for TheStreet. Have a great weekend.